Hello everybody, my name is Inamullah. I'm from Anjuman Islam Abdul Azim Khatkate Secondary School, Washi. Today we're going to discuss basic concepts in coordinate geometry, how one can plot to points on the coordinate system. So before I begin with the plotting point on the coordinate system, let us see. This is an example. There are five numbers of column marked in red color 1, 2, 5, and 4 rows marked in blue color. So my question is, who is sitting in the desk? 4, 2. 4 stands for number of column, 2 stands for number of row. So your question is, the person, you need to identify the person who is sitting in fourth column and second row. So if you go in fourth column, so this is our fourth column and this is our second row. So n is sitting, right? So n is the person who is sitting in fourth column and second row. So column, here in coordinate geometry, this column, the person sitting in column will be considered as coordinate on x-axis, and the row will be considered as coordinate of the y-axis. This horizontal line is called x-axis and this vertical line is called y-axis. Now the plane or the entire coordinate system is divided into four parts. This first part is called first quadrant. This is your second quadrant. This is your third quadrant and this is your fourth quadrant. So these are four quadrants in coordinate system. Now graph. So on a number line, each point is the graph of a number. For example, this is 0 and 2, right? So on plane, each point is the graph of a number pair, ordered pair in the form of x and y. For example, we have one pair 1 and 2. So 1 stands for x coordinate and 2 stands for y coordinate. Always remember, your first number, that is 1, will go on x axis and your second number, that is 2, will go on y axis. So this is order pair like this. So on x axis it is 1, on y axis it is 2. Now similarly, we have one order pair 3 and 5. So this point we need to locate on the coordinate system. So our position will always be on origin. So I need to move 3 units on the x-axis. Now question arises, where we move on x-axis. Here you have two choices. From this origin you can either you can move in right hand direction or you can move in left hand direction. But always remember, if your coordinates are positive, you will move in right hand direction. If your coordinates are negative, you will move in left hand direction. If your y coordinate is positive, you will move in upward direction. If y coordinate is negative, you will move in downward direction. So in this example, 3 is positive number. So we will move 3 units on right hand side on the x axis here like this. And y coordinate is also positive, so I'll move 5 unit in upward direction. So this is the position of my point. We can take one more example. minus 3 and 4. So x coordinate is negative 3. So I'll move 3 unit on the left like this. And since my y coordinate is positive 4, so I'll move 4 units in upward direction like this. So this is actual position of my point minus example minus 4 and minus 2, where x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is also negative. So if x coordinate is negative, I'll move 4 unit to the left like this. And since my y coordinate is also negative 2, so I'll go in downward direction on y axis 2 units like this. So this is the position of my point. So hope it is clear to everybody how to plot a point on the coordinate system. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Have a nice day.